Before we get into the video, guys, I just want to mention I did start a free Discord chat that is linked right in the description. If you guys want to get real-time information from me, feel free to join. It is open to anybody, and again, it is free. You guys will be able to ask questions, and we'll be able to communicate as a community in that Discord, and it should be a very fun time. We can bounce ideas off of one another, and we can have a nice community to make money. And so again, that link is in the description. Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and right now we're going to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. And so right now we're looking at Bitcoin over the Canadian dollar on the daily time frame, and we actually are having some very scary price action right now. We broke down from our level of support, and now we are sitting right under it. And so we really need to break past and get back up into this channel if we want to maintain this bullish momentum here on Bitcoin. Our MACD on the daily does not look the best. We did kind of get rejected here, and now we are kind of leveling out a little bit. However, we are still in a positive zone, so we are still on an uptrend. There are no real signs to sell off yet. And so if we cannot make our way back up above this level of resistance, we are going to see a lot more downside pressure here in Bitcoin in the short term and look for a back test of the 50 SMA. And so this is going to be a very crucial day here for Bitcoin to see if we can get back up. So you can see right here, we got rejected right here. We never got the back test yet. And so right now in current time, in real time, we are almost here trying to back test. So we'll see what happens here in the next couple hours with Bitcoin, but this is going to be a very critical point here in Bitcoin. Next currency we're looking at here is Ethereum over the Canadian dollar on the daily time frame. So same thing here with Ethereum. We are still trading in our channel. We are sitting, however, right below our 50 SMA. And so with this, our daily MACD is a slightly negative, still really no sign of a curl up just yet, but because we are in this channel, we are still extremely bullish on Ethereum until we break down from this level of support and ultimately break down from this level of support. We will be very bearish, but because we are above both those points, we are still bearish, still waiting to find a nice bottom. And so as long as we are still in this channel, we are still going to rinse and repeat. We buy at support and we sell at resistance. And so right now we are kind of here in the middle, but we are below the 50 SMA. So we're going to closely monitor this situation again here with Ethereum. Looks like we got rejected when we came back to our 50. And so that could lead to some more downside pressure. But we are coming up here with our 100 SMA. And if our 100 SMA gets into this price channel, we get a bounce. That would be a very nice time to get in on Ethereum for another swing play. As of right now, below the 50, still, however, trading in our channel, so we are still bullish on Ethereum. Last but not least, we are looking at XRP, so Ripple on the daily time frame. We have been trading in this pennant here on Ripple for a long time. This has been the only coin that has not exploded yet with the type of mainstream eyes on this one. And so if we're kind of looking at it a little bit closer here, you could see we have been kind of coiling up here. We had a nice bounce off of our 50. We got rejected right here by our level of resistance, but now we are just kind of trading in this top triangle within this pennant. And so again, we have a longer term outlook on XRP. We do believe XRP is going to have a breakout here at the beginning of June, but if we continue to trade in this upper triangle, it will come a lot quicker and it'll be at the beginning of May. And so we are watching this very closely. You can see we had a crossover of our 100 and our 200 day SMA, extremely bullish. And so if we break past this line of resistance, we get the back test on this line, and then we make our way up. That back test and that confirmation would be an opportunity to buy Ripple, and that's when we are planning to get into Ripple. And so remember, don't just get it if you get over. Wait for that back test along this line right here. Once we get that back test, you are ready to go. There you guys have it. That is our quick little update on all three coins that we are watching. Personal holder of Ethereum, and I do believe Ethereum has the best long-term outlook of the three. Short-term, I think Ripple might have the most upside. It might blow a lot higher than people think it will. Overall, we are watching closely because it does seem like Bitcoin could potentially have a short-term correction. And so if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs, and if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.